Hi children, welcome back to the class. This is your third EVS class. Hope all are enjoying. Are you reading the textbook daily? Yes, very good. Good children. Here we are discussing about the sun, the moon and the stars. We already discussed about the sun and the stars in our previous classes. Okay, let us recollect the things which you learned. First we learn about the sun. What all things you know about the sun now? The sun is a star which is closest to the earth. The sun has a family which is known as solar system. Very good. The sun has 8 members in its family. These members are known as planet. Next we learned about the stars. The stars, we can see the stars at night. Yes, the stars are huge balls of hot gases. And next we learned about constellations. What are constellations? Groups of stars forming an imaginary shape or pattern in the sky are known as constellations. What is meant by pattern? Pattern is an arrangement of line, shape or color. Hope all of you understood this much. Every day you have to write these all new words. What all new words learning from this lesson? You have to write 5 times in your rough book and make it thorough. So children, study all these new words by writing in your rough book 5 times every day and show to your parents. Today we are going to discuss about the moon. What do you know about the moon? We can see the moon at night with the twinkling stars. What else? It is round in shape. One more thing I am going to add. It is the nearest neighbor of the earth. So can you find out the name of the moon in the list of the planets? No, you cannot find out the name in the list of planets because the moon is not a planet. It is a natural satellite of the earth. It will revolve around the earth. Just like the planets are revolving around the sun through an imaginary orbit, the natural satellite of the earth, that means the moon, revolves around the earth through an imaginary orbit. That is why the moon is known as nearest neighbor of the earth in the space. We all having our own neighbors. Neighbors means the people who all are living near to your house. Let me read the characteristics of the moon. My first point, the moon is a ball of rock revolves around the earth. The moon is a ball of rock revolves around the earth. Second point, it is a nearest neighbor of earth in space. It is a nearest neighbor of earth in space. It is a natural satellite. What does it mean by satellite? Do you hear this word before? What is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of the sun, the moon, the stars, the other objects and the phenomena happening in the space. You all are familiar with the word space. Many of you have visited there in your dreams also, right? How can we study about the space? Using satellites. Not with the sun, artificial satellites. Human-made satellites are used to study about the space. The satellites also help us to communicate each other. I am going to show you a video. You just watch it.
Journey to the Moon. For thousands of years, human beings have gazed with wonder at the stars. They wove stories around them and dreamt of traveling to the distant stars. But traveling into space was not easy. Hundreds of scientists worked hard for several years to invent a vehicle that could carry people safely into space. Both Russia and the USA wanted to be the first to venture into space. Russia was the first to successfully launch a man, Yuri Gagarin, into space in 1961. The Americans were not far behind. Their president, John F. Kennedy, declared in 1961 that the United States would land a man on the moon by the end of the decade. In 1969, Apollo 11, the first manned mission to the moon, was launched. On board were 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Edwin Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The entire world held their breath as the spacecraft was launched. The launch was covered live on radio and television. About 4 days after the launch, Apollo 11 went into orbit around the moon. Collins stayed in the mother craft, while Armstrong and Aldrin boarded a smaller spacecraft named Eagle, which would land them on the moon. After several last-minute complications, Eagle landed on the moon. It had only a few seconds of fuel left. Armstrong was the first man to walk on the surface of the moon. When he took his first step, he said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong and Aldrin spent about 2.5 hours on the moon, during which time they conducted scientific experiments and took photographs. They returned to their mother craft and after resting for a few hours, began their journey back to Earth. They landed on Earth on 24th July 1969. They were given a hero's welcome by the people of America.
We are going to conclude the session. Today we have discussed about the moon and its characteristics. First point, the moon is a ball of rock revolves around the earth. Second point, it is the nearest neighbor of Earth in space. Third point, it is a natural satellite. Hope all of you understood the lesson. Read the lesson every day and study the new words. Write and study. Write 5 times and show to your parents. If you have any doubt, feel free to call me and clear your doubt. Which all pages you have to read from the textbook and the notes. Which all notes you have to study. I will mention down as usual. You just follow it. Children, will see in our next class. It is in next week. Until then, goodbye and take care. Be safe and be there in your home.